using reverse inquiry to loosen up the core, out of abandonment and loss of mommy and loss of grandma and death and not feeling loss. It formed some beliefs there, very painful, that I lost love and I'm alone. And so the work would be that's what Scott told me a few years ago. Dude, anything else you've been doing, you are bypassing if you don't stay with that. So every day, bring up your grandma and whatever happened to you and drop in this inquiry. I never lost love. Love is always here. And then it will bring some objection. No, she left, she died, no. So that, bring into awareness the hidden files of the child.
So, Mihai, it sounds like you're daily working with your story and coaching yourself, and you're reframing it to know love wasn't lost, for example. You're just kind of going through it briefly every day. Did I get that?
Well, I mean, no, I used to do this for some time. I'm not doing this now like that. That's, but also it's not coaching myself. It's not coaching or like, hey, buddy, love didn't die. It's okay. There's so much love in your life, buddy. It's okay. No, I'm not doing that. That I don't think it works. No, I am using reverse inquiry in a meditative state to make conscious more that file of pain and the file of the child trapped in time. And I can say I never lost love. I never been separated from love. And witness and allow whatever comes as objection, something. Yeah,
because you're saying I'm using the word coaching, but instead of saying love died, you're saying love never died, and I never lost love.
Yeah, but I'm saying this in order to poke out of the hiding the child belief that says, no, it died, they left me, I left so many, everybody left me, but in inquiry, and especially with gets deeper, this starts to come out. I lost I lost family. Oh yeah, it's another one I have. I lost family, and then I'm sad and I'm looking for family. I lost family, and so I'm poking the file, which otherwise is hidden. I'm going about the day while continuously seeking. We mean that I will not let them in because love is dangerous, because I'm going to lose them. So I am not letting them in. And so I'm sabotaging decades of relationship and not allowing love and help make love because of this thing. So I'm trying to make it conscious, it's. And through this repeated witnessing of the program, it discharges, it disintegrates, it's seen as false. Yeah, and I see there will be revelation, not out of coaching, but a revelation that, hey, love didn't die. I love now. I love. There's love. I love. There's love. There are people in my life that love me. There's love all the time. I'm not alone. Wow.
Okay.
Cool.
So I think you used the word revelation. You didn't coach yourself. It just in your meditation, you kind of naturally, comfortably that showed up.
After witnessing the subconscious, the child telling its sad story, and being it and allowing it to be true, like wailing and I lost love, whatever. So
Thank you.
This is interesting way to look at the reverse inquiry, to test it for yourself with something that is less hidden. Maybe with like you, if you have some interest, something that you want to achieve or something that you want in your life, something that's important, like a dream, a vision, one can use reverse inquiry to see. We may have subconscious programs that are not aligned with our vision. And those programs believe that it's not going to happen. I don't have what it takes. I'm not worthy of it. It never happened to me. It's actually, I'm afraid to allow this. So that's a nice way to see what's in there, to test for yourself. I want you to test for yourself the effectiveness of the boomerang in reverse inquiry, to meet your suffering head on.